to change its focal length is called to change or to adjust. It's a new word. To adjust its focal length is called accommodation. Okay, beta. This is the definition of accommodation. The ability of eye to change its focal length or to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. Now our next topic, there are some important and very important two topics are there. First one, near point, and the second one, far point. Look at this beta. First we discuss near point. What is near point? Look at this beta. Near point. Near point means beta, there is a some distance. Just imagine if you want to see any object in this way. Yes beta? Yes? Not audible? बेटा माइक ऑफ कर दो. माइक ऑफ कर दो. माइक ऑफ करो, माइक ऑफ करो, माइक ऑफ करो, माइक ऑफ करो. सब लोगों ने माइक ऑफ कर दो. नियर पॉइंट. लुक एट दिस बेटा. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस and this is the human eye lens. Look at this beta. This is the general condition. Object is placed here at this point. Suppose this distance is 10 centimeter from the eye. Imagine this distance is 10 centimeter. Okay. Object is seen blurred. This symbol denotes the image is blurred. Okay. We can't see the object clearly at the retina. Retina is that place where the image is formed by the object. So 10 centimeter, when the object is placed 10 centimeter, image is not formed at a retina. Image is blurred. Now the object is placed at 20 centimeter. Now the object is 20 centimeter. Again we see the image blurred. Image is not seen clearly. बेटा माइक ऑफ कर दो सब लोग पहले. सब लोग पहले माइक ऑफ कर दो बेटा. ये नेटवर्क इश्यू हो सकता है, इसमें हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Object is placed now at 20 centimeter. When the object is placed at 20 centimeter, image is not again clear. But the object is placed at this point. Look at this beta. This is the point. This is the point where the object is placed. And this distance is 25 centimeter. Now the image is seen clearly. Image is formed at a retina. It means beta, when the object is placed 25 centimeter and beyond 25 centimeter, all these positions object is seen clearly. It means 25 centimeter, within 25 centimeter, suppose this is the 25 centimeter distance beta. Here is the 25 centimeter from this point to this point. Okay. Now the object is placed within 25, means here. We can't see the object clearly. But when we place this object here, it is clearly seen. Don't worry बेटा, अभी हम इसका वीडियो भी भेज देंगे. आप लोग बस जितना पॉसिबल है देखते जाओ. ठीक है. अब नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है बेटा, आप परेशान ना होइए. जितना पॉसिबल है आप बस देखते जाइए या समझते जाइए. आप लोग माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए बस. बेटा यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट इस जगह पर रखी है, इसका मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली दिख रहा है. तो 25 सेंटीमीटर इज दैट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम विच we can see any object. So we can see beta 25 centimeter is our least distance, है ना, least distance, because after this distance the object is seen clearly. 25 centimeter is the least distance after which the object is seen clearly. So 25 centimeter is known as near point. 25 centimeter is not near point beta. Near point is that least distance, is that least distance from where object is seen clearly without any stress, So near point is that least distance from where object is seen clearly without any stress. For healthy eye, beta, for healthy eye it is 25 centimeter. So I think beta least distance is clear to everyone. Now the next topic, far point. Next point is far point. What is far point? Look at this. Beta, from 25 centimeter object is seen clearly. Now this distance is 30 centimeter, clearly seen. 40 centimeter, clearly seen. 60 centimeter, clearly seen. 80 centimeter, clearly seen. 90 centimeter, clearly seen beta. But at a distance up to which the object is not seen clearly. Once again I repeat, object is here, okay, this distance is 25 centimeter, but this distance is up to that point the object is not seen clearly, okay, means here when this object is placed at this point object is not seen clearly. It means this is the point up to which we can see clearly, and after this point we can't see. Suppose this distance is 2 meter or 200 centimeter. Up to 200 centimeter we can see clearly, but after 200 centimeter means 201 or 202 it is not seen. So 200 centimeter is the far point. So what is far point? What's the definition? Look, far point is the maximum distance, up to which any object can be seen clearly, or one word, without any stress beta. Understood? So for healthy eye beta, this distance is far point FP, it is infinity. Is it assumed? Infinity. It means up to infinity we can see any object clearly. And so what is the range of vision? What is the range of vision? Beta, our range of vision is 25 centimeter to infinity. डोंट वरी बेटा, अभी हम इसका वीडियो भेज देंगे तुम लोग को, ये सारा चीज रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहा है, ठीक है, परेशान मत होइए। ये सारी चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, आप बस देखते जाइए, मेरी आवाज़ मत सुनिए। अभी सारी चीज़ें रिकॉर्डेबल वे में आपके पास पहुंच जाएंगी। ओके, नेटवर्क इश्यू आ रहा है बेटा, हो सकता है कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, आप परेशान बिल्कुल मत होइए। नाउ द रेंज ऑफ विजन इज 25 सेंटीमीटर टू इंफिनिटी। सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ रेंज ऑफ विजन बेटा। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, now what are the defects of eye? Now we are discussing about the defects of the eye. Look at this. Defects of eye. Beta, we have three type of defects. First one, myopia. First one, myopia. Second one, hypermetropia. Second one, hypermetropia. And the third one beta, presbyopia. Third one, presbyopia. What is myopia? First we are discussing myopia. Look at this beta. Myopia is that defect. First we are discussing the definition of the myopia. Look, it is the defect of eye. It is the defect of eye in which we can see the nearby objects clearly. In which we can see the nearby objects clearly, but unable or having difficulty to see the far objects. Once again I repeat, it is the defect of the eye in which we can see the nearby objects but having difficulty to see the far objects. This is the definition. Now what's the meaning of this one beta? It means, look at this beta by drawing the diagram. This is the principal axis. This one is your convex lens. Here is the retina. When object is placed at this point beta, look at this point, and this point is known as least point. है ना बेटा? This is the least point. When the object is placed at this point, least point, we can see the object clearly. Means its image is formed at a retina. Suppose this is the point object. The image is formed at a retina beta. Okay, but now the object is placed, this is the least point है ना, and again the object is placed at this point. One more point, object is placed at this point, and this point is known as far point. This is known as far point beta. Far point means the maximum point up to which the object is placed. This is the far point. When this object is placed here, again we see the image clearly. Image is formed at a retina. Okay beta, but now the object is placed, it means when the object is placed between least point and far point, at any point of this object is seen clearly. But when the object is placed beyond this point, like this, now the object is placed at this point beta. This is the lens, this one is the lens, and now the object is placed at here beta, here or infinity, beyond far point. This is the far point, this one is the far point. It means object is seen between this one and this point, but object is placed at here, beyond far point. Now the object is, the image of this object is not formed of the retina. It becomes before the retina. The object is not seen clearly. Understood beta? So it is the defect of the eye in which we can see the nearby objects clearly, but having difficulty to see the far object. One more example. For example, this is your board, classroom board. This is your classroom board, and this is the first seat, and this one is the last seat. When the student is sitting here, he can see the words written on the board. Okay beta, but when the student is sitting at this point, here, this point, object is not seen clearly. He has myopia. Once again, one point. This student, when he reads his book or her book, okay beta, it is clearly read. But when the student sees the board beta, it is not seen clearly. Again, the student has myopia. Understood beta? Now, so we have discussed about myopia. This is the first point and this is the second point. Now what is the defect? How can we discuss about the remedy of this defect beta? So when in examination you are forming the diagram, you have to form like this beta. First you have to draw this diagram. First you have to draw this diagram. Object is placed here. This is the far point beta. We assume this is far point. We assume far point and least point is here. Object is placed at this point, far point. Image is seen clearly at this retina. But now the object is placed at infinity or any other point. Suppose second ray will pass through the infinity. Here is the far point, this is the far point beta, but object is placed here. Now the image is formed here. Okay beta, image is formed at this point, that is before retina. Now we have to form this image at this point. From this you can see converging nature decreases or converging nature increases. In this one beta, you can see the converging nature of the lens increases, or converging nature of the lens is increases, or eyeball, size of the eyeball increases. So this when this increases beta, size of the eyeball, this one, then it forms like this beta. So this retina becomes previous beta. So we have to remedy of this one is by using decreasing this converging nature. And which lens is used for this? Beta, diverging lens is used for this. Now what is the rule beta? Look, remedy. First, convex lens. Look very carefully. This is convex lens, and here is the concave lens. Here is concave lens. Okay, beta, where is the object placed? Object is at infinity and image is formed at the far point. Because far point is the maximum distance up to which we can see. Far point is that distance. Far point is that distance. Far point is that distance up to which we can see clearly. So far point is the point. Here is the far point and we want to see the image at this point. इसका मतलब ये बेटा, when the object is placed at infinity, we want to see the image at this point. Suppose the far point is 50 centimeter. What is the meaning of this one? 50 centimeter means the object is seen inside of the 50 centimeter. When the object is placed, here is the lens. When the object is placed in between of the 50 centimeter, object is seen clearly. है ना? It is seen clearly. But when this object is placed beyond this 50 centimeter, it is not seen clearly. So by the diagram, we can see this is the far point and here we want to see the image, that is eye. So from this eye, draw two diagrams, two rays. Look at this bit. Dot it and then with the help of scale, straight line. Again dot it and then straight line. And join this 2 point to retina here. And from this one, from this point and this point, make a ray parallel. It means light is coming from infinity and after refraction it will pass through this one. So here is the image form. So I hope beta the complete procedure of myopia is completed to everyone. ये बात समझ में आ गई बेटा सभी को? सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा? सभी को क्लियर है? सभी को क्लियर है बेटा? सभी को क्लियर हुआ इतना बात जो मैंने भी समझाया, एक्सप्लेन किया? यस बेटा, इट इज क्लियर? It is clear to everyone?